This is Go MMT Radio.
Go MMT Radio. Let's go.
Powered by Make My Trip, Go IBBO and Redbus.
क्या हुआ है?
बधाई हो, Go Tripper हुआ है.
Welcoming new Go Tripper in the family.
सोनल सेठिया को बधाई हो. Well, she is my guest on the show today. बधाई हो is the name of the show. इसका मतलब है हम congratulate कर रहे हैं सोनल को for being the new member or one of the new members at MMT. This is Go MMT Radio. I'm your host Annie. Sonal, a warm welcome.
Thank you so much, Annie. It's a pleasure speaking to you right now.
अच्छा, बधाई तो मैंने आपको दे ही दिया है, पर बधाई के लिए आप कितने दिन या कितने हफ्ते या कितने महीने पहले ज्वाइन कर चुकी हैं MMT को?
So I have been waiting for your badhai for the last 6 weeks. I think
So I think it is the right time to actually give you, बधाई and congratulations. अगर मिठाई का डब्बा होता तो वो भी मैं virtually आपको दे देती.
And I can get your vibes from here.
अच्छा, you have been in the industry for a few years now. This is not your first job or something, right?
So prior to this, I was mostly with the fintech industry. I worked with various banks and credit card organizations.
तो वहां से लेकर यहाँ पर एक sales role में you are in the corporate MyBiz channel and your CAM. That means you are out for work, you are out meeting clients, you are out trying to service them and trying to understand what their problems are, and then of course getting them the best packages ever. How has that experience been? It's very different from what the fintech industry is.
Absolutely. So I would like to just say that in a way it makes me feel like I'm a risk taker because changing my industry at this point in time was a lot of thought-provoking process for me. However, I have been in sales even in fintech, and especially with the tech side of things being very strong, I knew that the transition will go smoothly, and especially a company like MMT is very exciting. So the opportunity to learn new things, especially from the market leader in its segment, and be a part of best-in-class business practices, that in itself was very lucrative for me.
चलिए, ये तो बहुत अच्छी बातें आपने कही हैं. You seem to be very clear about what it is that you were going after. So when this happened, you put in your thoughts, but you also got the clarity and you knew what you were going to probably achieve over here. At least have a vague idea, which is nice, I think. On that note, बताइए, खुद तो travel करना पसंद करते हो ना आप?
Absolutely. I think in today's day and age, जिसने travel नहीं किया, मतलब रोटी कपड़ा और मकान की भी क्या जरूरत है फिर तो.
See, रोटी कपड़ा मकान travel. अब ये चौथा जरूर ऐड किया जाएगा. In fact, ऐड किया भी होगा. And I think MMT has made that possible for most of them across India and the world. And that is the beauty of how well MMT has grown over the past few decades.
Very true. I mean, Maslow's hierarchy में आ गया है अब travel as a component.
हाँ, तो अगर ये component इतना जरूरी है, आपके खुद के personal travel के बारे में बात थोड़ी और करेंगे, but ये perspective या outlook towards life change होती है? Do you think that's a reality?
Absolutely. I think most people, even if they have not traveled, they have a latent desire to go places.
Right.
XYZ situations may not allow them, but given the chance, not a single person would give up the opportunity to go to a new place, soak in the beauty of nature, or have an experience, a thriller, maybe an adventure sports. So every single human has a latent desire to go new places.
How much time do you spend really looking for new places, even if you haven't been there personally or physically?
So I don't spend time looking for places as per related to work. I mean, that would be more of looking for new clients.
Right.
But on a personal level, I think every couple of months, कोई ना कोई नई जगह के लिए there is a discussion, there is an itinerary that gets planned. There are people who join, there are people who drop out because this is India. But I think every couple of months कोई ना कोई नई location explore करने की बात तो छिड़ी जाती है.
Absolutely. काम तो दिलचस्प है ही. You're trying to meet new people to try and service their travel requirements, whatever corporate requirements they have. So as you are in a company that looks into the travel needs of a corporate, for instance, and the growing interest that people generally have in travel, even when it comes to corporates, because the corporates also growing, they have offices in different cities. Has it kind of changed the dynamics of travel? I mean, are people being very picky about the place they want to stay in and the flight they want to take and those kind of things? Do you have these challenges that you face at all?
I think I would rather label it as an opportunity, because a business traveler's mindset is slightly different from a individual who's planning a travel for themselves.
Right.
Because when a business traveler is traveling, they think it's my corporate who's going to take care of things. So they do tend to get picky. They have a very high service level requirement and they expect to be taken care of in certain ways, of course, that we do provide best-in-class services for them, especially being who we are, MMT, right? We are the market leaders for travel. So we do set the standard for them and make sure that all of those requirements wherein they want a certain kind of a hotel. I mean, they wouldn't necessarily always prefer budget hotels, or if they have, say, senior management traveling. So they have particular needs that we do try to look into and tailor and make sure that we have good rates and great services, both hand in hand.
Pretty good. And you seem to have got a good understanding of what this job really entails. Sonal, that also goes to show that you're enjoying your time at MMT.
I don't think learning about new things has ever felt like learning since I joined over here. Because each time it's more like a discussion with my team members and colleagues. And that process actually really changes how you soak in new information.
Correct. So now that you are at MMT, it's a new ballgame altogether. You're enjoying your time here. You seem to have found the group around you, your team, very supportive. You're learning a lot of things. You're enjoying your time. What is it that you bring to the table, or what is it that you plan to do that you can kind of contribute to the growth of MMT?
So, as I've joined Pune, and this is a growing market, we have a lot of scope over here to actually tap into veins of corporates with really deep pockets that haven't really been explored yet. So I really do hope to increase the Pune market so that we can give our friends in the north and west in Mumbai a little bit of a nudge. Hey, we're there. So yeah, I look forward to that.
That is so good. Well, it's time for the rapid fire round. And with that, I will come to the close of Badhai Ho today with Sonal Sethia, who's from the Corporate MyBiz channel. She's a CAM working out of Pune and really looking forward to the time she'll have at MMT to help grow the business. Are you ready for this rapid fire round?
Yeah, with a deep breath, I say yes.
The rapid fire round.
Let's start with who's your favorite celebrity. And it can be any kind of celebrity. It doesn't have to be a movie celebrity, okay?
All right. So then I would say our very, very esteemed Prime Minister, Mr. Narendra Modi.
What do you really look up to him for?
I really like the way that he has a strong personality, and even in the face of all of the challenges that our country has gone through, especially COVID, I think he was a very strong leader who steered us through a difficult period. So I do appreciate the effort he's put in.
Good. What's the favorite thing about your job?
I actually love meeting new people and clients. It's one of the things that is across my career, sales and having conversation and solving problems for people, that's my absolute favorite.
Good, you're at the right place then. Let's switch straight to food. What's your favorite food? Cuisine or dish, anything that comes to mind?
I love Indian food, especially street food. So Pani Puri, hands down.
Which pizza topping do you usually prefer?
Basil.
All right, on your bucket list, if you want to tick off 2 places in the coming years, which ones are there?
I think one would be Australia and another would be Greece.
Nice. What's your favorite dessert?
My favorite dessert is gajar ka halwa.
Oh, okay. And who is the one person that you consider your mentor in life?
I think it would have to be my father. He's had a long career of his own and helped me navigate through situations and places where you may feel a little bit vulnerable, but like really solid advice, and not from a father's perspective, but from a prospective employer's perspective.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah, a very, very unbiased opinion.
That is so good. Well, with that, I've come to the end of the rapid fire round. Here's wishing you all the luck. Congratulations once again for this new job, and a lot of dreams that you have in your eyes. May all of them come true.
Thank you so much, Annie.
Well, this is Sonal Sethia. The show name is called Badhai Ho, और बधाई ही देते आ रही हूँ पूरे शो पर सोनल को. But she's in the Corporate My Biz channel, a cam working out of Pune for MMT. You take care of yourself. Ciao.
अपना ही साया देख के तुम जाने जहां शर्मा गई. अभी तो ये पहली मंजिल है, तुम तो अभी से घबरा गए. मेरा क्या होगा सोचो तो जरा, हाय ऐसे न आहे भरा कीजिए. ओ मेरे दिल के चैन आए, मेरे दिल को दुआ कीजिए. आपका अरमा आपका नाम, मेरा तराना और नहीं. इन झुकती पलकों के सिवा दिल का ठिकाना और नहीं. जचता ही नहीं आँखों में कोई, दिल तुमको ही चाहे तो क्या कीजिए. ओ मेरे दिल के चैन आए, मेरे दिल को दुआ कीजिए.
Hello, Go Trippers! This is Ranveer Singh, and you are listening to Go MMT Radio. Head, set, go.
To listen to your favorite Go MMT radio from anywhere, follow us on YouTube, LinkedIn, and Instagram. Visit the Go MMT radio page for daily updates and enjoy listening to your favorite radio channel.